and capability. Engineering ingenuity, the design of a heavyweight. The B-52's design is a marvel of engineering, a testament to human ingenuity and technological advancement. Its massive size is deceiving. Despite its 185-foot wingspan and a maximum takeoff weight of 488,000 pounds, the B-52 is surprisingly agile, capable of maneuvers that belie its bulk. 8 powerful jet engines propel the B-52 to speeds of up to 650 miles per hour, ensuring it can cover vast distances swiftly. This allows it to reach targets quickly and effectively, making it a critical asset in any strategic operation. Its long range, over 8,800 miles unrefueled, makes it a truly global asset, capable of projecting power across continents without the need for frequent refueling. It can strike targets anywhere in the world with little notice, providing unmatched strategic flexibility. One of the most distinctive features of the B-52 is its swept-wing design, a feature that enhances its aerodynamic efficiency. This design element, borrowed from the aerodynamic principles of jet fighters, contributes to its stability and speed, allowing it to maintain high performance in various flight conditions. It allows for efficient high-altitude flight, making it a formidable platform for delivering its payload with precision and reliability. The B-52's ability to carry a vast array of weaponry is another key to its success, enabling it to perform a wide range of missions. It can carry up to 70,000 pounds of bombs, missiles, and mines, providing unparalleled firepower. This makes it an incredibly versatile weapon system, capable of adapting to the ever-changing demands of modern warfare. It can adapt to a wide range of mission requirements, from strategic bombing to close air support, ensuring its relevance in any combat scenario. From Cold War to global conflicts, the B-52 in action. The B-52's entry into service in 1955 marked a significant turning point in military history, revolutionizing strategic bombing capabilities. It quickly became a key element of the U.S. nuclear deterrent during the Cold War, standing as a formidable guardian of peace through strength. Its ability to deliver nuclear payloads anywhere in the world made it a powerful symbol of American might and technological prowess. However, the B-52's role extended far beyond nuclear deterrence, showcasing its versatility in various combat scenarios. It proved its worth in conventional warfare during the Vietnam War, where its strategic bombing capabilities were put to the test. The B-52's massive bomb loads made it a devastating force in carpet bombing campaigns, capable of altering the course of battles. It played a crucial role in shaping the battlefield, influencing war strategies and outcomes with its sheer firepower. The B-52 continued to demonstrate its versatility and effectiveness in later conflicts, adapting to new challenges and missions. It participated in Operations Desert Storm and Iraqi Freedom, proving its enduring value in modern warfare. Its long range and heavy payload proved invaluable in striking enemy targets and providing crucial support to ground troops. Even today, the B-52 remains a vital asset in the fight against terrorism, adapting to the evolving nature of warfare. Its ability to loiter over target areas for extended periods makes it ideal for providing close air support and conducting precision strikes against enemy positions, ensuring mission success and troop safety. Upgraded.